So I just saw Fantastic Four First Steps. More like leaps and bounds, am I right? So, Fantastic Four, great movie if you're just starting off in the MCU. If you know anything about the comic, I recommend just going to see it. This has the same feel as Superman. It goes right in, and the little backstory it does give, 15 minutes and done. I like this movie. Thing I don't like about this movie is it is a family movie, meaning it's not as much action as you think. It's going to pause halfway through the movie and you're going to get a extended backstory of what they're going to do. There's a lot of planning, and honestly it reminds me a little bit of the Fantastic Four Josh Trank Fox movie, just because it takes more time to get to its point. But with this one, at least there is something in the middle. You understand the logic. You see they're trying to figure this out. There's a lot of study going on about who Galactus is, who the Silver Surfer is. They kind of rush through that. That's why I call it leaps and bounds. But they rush through it because if you know anything about the story, you know who these people are. They're going to give you the cliff notes and they're going to keep it moving. Shouts out to the Invisible Woman. They definitely gave her dues in this movie, because in the Jessica Alba one, even the Roger McCormick one, I don't remember, again, who she really was in the Josh Trank one. I don't really remember her doing her powers in that movie. In this, she uses her powers and she shows out. She shows off to the point you start comparing her to Jean Grey. Almost like an X-Men character. She has that type of strength and people forget about that. In the comics though, she shows out. In this movie, she shows out. Nice representation. Shouts out to what First Steps really means. It's not hidden. There's a baby. We're not going to talk about the baby right now. We'll talk about the baby later. But as of now, it is a very important character in the movie. Do I recommend this movie? Yes. Do I recommend this movie over Superman? Not really. Do I recommend this movie over Thunderbolts? Yes. Go check it out. Tell me what you think. It's just a movie that's going to set you up for Doomsday. It is also a movie that's going to tell you about the Fantastic Four. And another question, does this take place in the 60s? Because they never actually confirmed that. It's a different universe that might exist as a 60s universe. So that's cool. When they went to space, that was pretty cool. Don't want to give away too many spoilers, but recommend it. Check it out.